Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to online studies. Hopefully you all will be fine and enjoying sitting a lot at home. We are revising rule number 6, solids, liquids and gases. And in our previous lesson we have revised question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 on page number 65 and 66. Today we will revise question number 1, 2 and question number 3 of part 5 on page number 66. Let's start our today's lesson. Question number 5. Answer these questions. First question is, what is matter? And the answer is, everything in this world that has mass and occupies space is matter. What is matter? Anything that has mass and it occupies space, it is called matter. For example, air is matter because it has mass and it occupies space. Similarly, water is also a matter because it has mass and it also occupies space. Next, question number 2 is, what is the difference between a solid and a liquid? Question statement is, what is the difference between a solid and liquid? And the answer is, solid. Particles in a solid are closely packed and they cannot move freely. Liquid. Particles in a liquid are loosely packed and they move more freely. Next point. Solid. The force of attraction between particles is very great. And in liquid, the force of attraction between particles is not so strong. Next, third point. In solid, solid has a definite shape and volume. And in liquid, liquid has a definite volume but not fixed shape. Let's start the explanation. First of all, the difference of particles arrangement in solid and liquid. In a solid, the particles are packed closely together and the forces of attraction between the particles are very strong. Because the particles are packed together, they cannot move about freely. Look here, these are the particles in solids and particles are closely packed in solids. Because the particles are closely packed, so they cannot move about freely. Next, the arrangement of particles in liquid. The particles in liquid are not packed together so closely, so the particles move about more freely. Because the spaces between the particles are greater, therefore the liquid particles can flow. You can see these are the particles in liquid and particles are loosely packed in liquid, so they can move about more freely. Next, second point is force of attraction. Because the particles in a solid are closely packed, therefore the force of attraction between particles is very strong. And the particles that are present in liquid are loosely packed, so the force of attraction between particles is not so strong. And the last point is, solid has a definite shape and definite volume, while liquid has a definite volume but not a fixed shape. Because the particles in a solid are closely packed, they have a fixed shape and they also have a fixed volume. But liquid has a definite volume but they do not have a fixed shape because they take the shape of the container in which they are poured. Next, third question is, do the particles in a liquid stay in one place? And the answer is no. The particles in a liquid can flow. The particles move freely. And the answer is no. The particles in a liquid not stay at one place, and the particles of a liquid can flow and they move more freely. Thank you so much.